Yeah, wa bona taba e hore he Chiefs ne go fa Sundowns league.
Yeah.
As a loyal Kaizer Chiefs fan, as a super fan, I ke vote.
Lena Makhosi mo lena re botja bo fodile. Ogana is not going to be an easy game. O checka record ya ka he ke kopana le wena ka o frustrate.
Sundowns if it dlala ka di 3 e we e dlale ka di 6 ba resta 2 days ba we ba resta 2 days ape ba dlale game ya di 9. I think playing on such a schedule it's a trap and for a team like Mamelodi Sundowns fatigue as well.
Re tlwaetse pressure player ra go Sundowns o ka se kire ba re ko chisa nyama e go dipitseng jana matlho player ra go Sundowns ha fetsa train e ya go ha yo khutsa ya itse hore tšatši le contract a e felang tšatši le a yang ko ba bang.
Welcome to the Ten Shop Eye channel. Thank you so much for always supporting the channel. Today we are going to talk about Mamelodi Sundowns versus Kaizer Chiefs, the game that will be at Loftus Versfeld on Wednesday, the 6th of May. And also we're going to touch on the Champions League. Obviously, I'm not alone here. I'm with two prominent supporters, one of Kaizer Chiefs and one of Mamelodi Sundowns. My name is Thulani Ngobo. Thank you so much for supporting us. And if you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button. Hey, my gents, how's it, Mafit?
Ngobo di re mo
Motagataga ntotse monate.
De la sauce
Hey, tada.
ta go fela
Londi London.
Wa tseba braya.
O grand me bra. Hey, sharp man.
so
Gutla mabarabara re wena o nyago fa Sundowns League.
Yeah, wa bona taba e hore he Chiefs ne go fa Sundowns league.
Yeah.
As a loyal Kaizer Chiefs fan, as a super fan, I ke vote. Nna ke crusher.
Yeah.
I'll stand alone supporting my Kaizer Chiefs club. Looking at where we are standing now, go position 3.
Yeah.
Are safe at all, and we want to make sure that Ratamaya go Confederation Cup.
Yeah.
Going to face Mamelodi Sundowns not going to be an easy game. We are going to make sure that we frustrate them.
Yeah.
We can't just give them 3 points and goals like that. They have to fight their own battle with Orlando Pirates. I came back to the sense theory. If we donate that 3 points, we still have to face Amazulu. We still have, I think, Chipa and Sikukune. I don't think a Robali game is easy. Game is so we have to make sure that we take a game by game and we prepare each game as a cup final.
Yeah.
So Mtakataga, I don't think I'm gonna give you an easy game come Wednesday.
Londi wa itse Lena Makhosi mo lena re botja bo fodile. Ogana is not going to be an easy game. O checka record ya ka he ke kopana le wena ka o frustrate. Ke a itse hore wena o lo tshwere economy na go ngwe ke re le nna ke nya go kra 3 point mara ke rora ke nya ke 3 point nna nka o fa draw at least ka he o lo motho o tshwara economy wa ile at least maybe le ranta e ka theohanyana le taba tsa di petrol because wena go respect la diet ngo mo tsamayang o ke bare ke khoetsa male matsuana yona go heletsa mavele go bana le sivunguvungu mara game ya Wednesday ke tlo utlwisa botlhoko e le hore the way e le hore ka teng ha ke re ke a lebella o lebelo re tsa mabyang re na le game ya di 3 ya di 6 le ya di 9 so di a o botsa hore ke di 3.3 go mo ha ka re wa lebelo wa bona banzari beetse pile hore ro collector 9 point plus le ya polokwane ke 12 go re ke change ka siwelele ka di 9 le siwelele ke tla be ke ra 70 point and then ke tla be ke fetsa mereko wa ka
Yeah. It's easy to talk the way over the Lankati.
Okay.
Later something more. You have mentioned something like you were Galagadi 6,
Kadi 3.
Kadi 3,
Yeah,
Lidi 6, Lidi 9.
Sure.
If you can look at that, there's no space to prepare the games. Sundowns, if it Gala Kadi 3, if we it Kadi 6, it resta 2 days. But we rested 2 days up about the game at 9. I think playing on such a schedule, it's a trap and for a team like Mamelodi Sundowns, fatigue as well, not having enough time to rest players and prepare for the game.
London.
I think because of you guys, you know how to win the league.
No,
Yeah.
Sundowns is only team in South Africa it by its temperature.
Yeah.
High 30 games. Sundowns di-player tsa teng di kgona go dlala 60 to 70 games mo national teaming ko di-cupong ko Champions League. Bona ke kgona go dlala game ya laboraro ko dlala ko you remember ke na le game ya nngwe ke tletse ko Polokwane
Yeah.
ka laboraro I have to re tshwara Chata Airline the same night eo
Yeah.
ro dlala ko Rwanda ko Kigali if you remember
Yeah.
the Al Hilal on Friday
Yeah.
ba re tsa botlhoko but how ka checka
Yeah.
a raba le nako e ntšhi ya rest re tlwaetse pressure player ya ko Sundowns o ka se kry bare e ko tšhisa nyama e ko dipitseng jana matlho
Yeah.
player ya ko Sundowns a e fetsa train e ya ko hae o khutsa ya itse gore tšatši le contract e felang tšatši le a yang ko ba bang ka mo next door ba le ba ile gore wa itse ke ba nya go itirela dithatelo ke mo ka bina ko te go re na ha ona mmino papa ha ona mmino ena a batla di-PlayStation player tsa rena ba nyewa kwa ke kwa mmereko wa nnete kore kwa go no tshwana ba o tsere ba re flyer o dlala ko oversea ke oversea ya mo South Africa because ko oversea ona boroko o lo hasela ka nnete
Ntakataka,
Yeah.
Sundowns need only 11 points to win Betway Premiership.
sure
And he ke lebella 11 point e Sundowns o tshwantse e kry e na le Chiefs e na le Siwelele TS Galaxy Polokwane City. Then you have already won against Polokwane City and the advantage mo lena because of home ground mo Loftus. Then I think Sundowns they generally have a good high performance record percentage in terms of ball position, high percentage of winning more games playing home ground. So I think for Polokwane City, if Bapaleto go frustrate Sundowns go Sishigo, then I don't think it's going to be easy for Polokwane City to come out more especially ka last minute so Sundowns nyaka di point. The only threat e ke bonang for Mamelodi Sundowns is going away TS Galaxy Mbombela. That's the only threat e ke bonang hore it might be difficult for Sundowns to get 3 points. Also on Wednesday, I don't think it's going to be easy game for Sundowns to collect 3 points because of remember if you can check the last 5 games.
Yeah.
I believe Mamelodi Sundowns ba khonne go ba le 3 wins against Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs ibile only 1 win, 1 draw. So though you can check 8 goals, Kaizer Chiefs only considered we score 4 goals. So Sundowns they've got advantage also against Kaizer Chiefs. But looking at where we are standing as a Kaizer Chiefs, we have to raise our hand as well above. So that's going to be like a personal game as well, like I said. So we have to raise our hands as Kaizer Chiefs. I don't think we have to just allow Sundowns to win that game because of we don't know Amazulu, Coach Arthur Zwane, what's going to happen. Credit as well to Coach Arthur Zwane because of where he take a last season for Amazulu from relegation.
Yeah.
He was in top 8. Key achievement good
London.
for a club,
Top 5, yeah.
but today is on
London.
top 4 as well. So you have done very well, and I'm afraid for Amazulu as well.
London.
I can say, yeah.
London.
Yeah.
One says that the woman like that you
Yeah.
forgot to you know ke reckless snake
Yeah.
Or how can touch a fella
Yeah.
Faru or was it now
Yeah.
I wish for Betway Premier they're
Yeah.
supposed to take our game
Yeah.
by the second 9
Yeah.
Siwelele ba tlisa ka di 3
Yeah.
wa itse game e monate e le 3 o'clock le tsatsi le fisa bjang
Yeah.
if you remember ile ka era ya Kune ka betha 4 goals ka 30 minutes mo Loftus if you remember ne?
Yeah, I remember
and
we lost
And
to
then MTN 8, yeah. I think MTN 8. Kami Dendor.
wa itse a kenya kwe mara re bolela ka gore ke ile ka metha ka 30 minutes and ile ka re ke le mo grandstand out ngwana mella wa le coach because a ke lena re bitsa 57 lena la fill up akere a ena flop and le te ponetse 57 ha isa le teng le te ponetse re no ra fula le ka away le mabane ko Shego a uthile itse re hana mella ka di stand ke a mono ha si ba lebele score sheet or ke honor wa bona ho quiet are can the score ke bokae ke mo shupeditse screen
Kodi Muda, yeah.
kana go la ya CBD itsa bona le 4 ko botsa neta was there na mano thwile ka di steps a tsamaya a wela high so that's why bar frustrator nga dla le khosi ka la boraro ko FNB last year ka bua hape ka dla le wena game e one santse ba re share le yona ya weekend and then ba itsitse hore well ke game e cool ba nyoko frustrate and let this thing ya hore team ya ka ba choose di stadium high sharp they know ke dlala Shushan Piano
Yeah.
Ke motho wa di-source.
Just to interject more about
Yeah.
Chisa Stadium, yeah.
ba nthusa stadium e re ko ke be pila game ya ka ya Champions League e ke dlalang le Rabat ntse santse ke dlala ka di 15
Yeah.
ko Blue Bulls na le game ka di 16 Blue Bulls o itseng ka o fa stadium ka di 15 or di 17 o tla choose
Yeah.
now we prefer okay re Sunday ka 3 because of re khono ba betha ka sunshine ma arapo a ba ikone
Ba rata ho dlala
yeah
bosiu, yeah.
ba rata ho dlala bosiu re khono ba fast rate re khono tsa 3 point stars khono ba teng mo systemeng ya re
Yeah.
already se teng mara re no sira official
Exactly, yeah.
Wa utlwisisa? And a lebela something London wa itse rang ka o tsela star automatically ya Champions League a o sa Confederation
A re kwale mo re tla bua mo di star.
Yeah.
O no ja o ja.
okay jaile ke na me train mangobe ne
O na betse train mango.
Eh, no.
Ke nya ka re thome mo e ya Wednesday.
yeah okay ya di stadium
Ya di 6. No, ya
No,
di 6.
yeah
I think it's going to be a game ya revenge. Remember ka Nedbank Cup, Call of Stars. Last time they dala Call of Stars. Chiefs le bethile da 2-1. Ke ka semi-final.
ya semi-final
Ke batho-
yeah
batho ba-
mara wa itse di 2-1 teng gore nze na leng ka mohare
No, nele top.
mara o bone ka mohare o bone gore o ntse o na le flaga
It's
ka
a
mo
it's a
bona nje ke no ile gore go ise Confederation nje go ile la favor you o te ponetse lo no te ponetse yo
Yeah, Mara. For when this game, yeah, Wednesday.
Yeah.
How important is it for the Northern League?
the game to be honest if the game it was supposed to be on the 9th we know we're supposed to celebrate our league
Yeah.
ka di 9 ge re fetsa ka Wednesday ba tla be le gore like the way ba tla ba tshabileng ka teng Siwele a ka re upset ka draw so ntse ke nyake le gore re thobe ka Siwele re kgone go feletsa ka ba ka one wa itse ba
No, Mara ke le thoma ka no nya gore le ka di 6 le dala le Siwelele.
no
Yeah.
ka di 3 ba re kenyetse le Siwele
Or
ka
the
di
three.
6
Yeah.
ke Saterdag
No, the 6 Wednesday.
no okay I mean ka di 6
Yeah.
ke Wednesday yang
Yes.
ka di 9 ke kopane le ba ka di 9
Oh, the Chiefs ka di
yeah ke
You get
kopane
it.
le Khosi ka di 9
Oh,
it
yeah.
was my wish
Oh,
gore ba tsaka change timetable because ba e bone gore re ba frustrate re ba tladitse mo arabeng mara ka nna re tloetse pressure game is very important for rena how nor are collect ke butse gore ke 369 London go butse gore ke 369 ke mo China selo se lo ka betcha 3 wa betcha 9 wa betcha le 6 a ono re ka se tshware go mo China so tse ke di 3 point di a the tlhaloso gore ke 3 point e dela ke 3
But,
point
more especially kana kwa di last minutes bjana.
Yeah.
I don't think we have to disrespect the opponent. So Siwelele ke threat and Siwelele e raisitse letso ya bontsha is giving this big team a headache. Why ke re so looking at Orlando Pirates at Royal Siwelele.
Yeah.
It dropped 2 points against Siwelele. Kaizer Chiefs they dropped 3 points against Siwelele. The only remaining team is Mamelodi Sundowns. And Siwelele they want to prove themselves as well. Or Sundowns is not like maybe Ikaripala.
o sa le bala London Siwelele ke super sport SA le sa le super sport that's why lena e le betha ka mind hore le potso gore ke Siwelele super sport o ntse itse gore ke dabi ya ka nna ke a feta mo yona e sa le ke Siwelele ka nomoro mara ka mohare ha teng ke super sport lena le bethile ke super sport and wa itse gore go super sport ha o fete and le ba bangwe ba le go arena bana a ba fete they know very well o feta bona ke draw
Ke 1 point, yeah.
ke 1 point le wena wa itse le wena pila sa santse o kry le ma 5 ino ba fela bile mo hao wa ga o etse mokgotsi ya ka ntse santse gore wa itse le nna ke no re itse ke bona ka mokgwa ba fitlhile ka bona ka le tlholo seema no is a good coach ke future coach ya continent ka boshuba ka ba export one of the export ya di coachara
Yeah.
no is doing good ke mmone o tsaya le ka mo development mara o nyakile o bontshe ntho engwe gore ke nyakile ke bona ka re nyakile le na le lenkuru ke bona ka re le letswa mona di player tsela gore ya bona gore ka re sa confederation mo ke bona ka re na le lenkuru le ditlhoko tla se bjana
Yeah, that game he really very disappointed.
Yeah.
But I think we've started to drop against the Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Coming back to my sense, yes, I saw Kaizer Chiefs supporters celebrating. I was one of them who was celebrating because of you celebrating like you dropped Orlando Pirates 2 points. Currently, they are the best, and drawing against them, it's one of things that you can say you have excelled. But looking at the record, you can't be happy for drawing against your rivalry.
Exactly, yeah.
And more especially that game, you can see the way Mericha is akating. Okay, we're supposed to win and defend that one goal.
Yeah.
So yeah, repalla kating. So coach ya Orlando Pirates nale right there. It's disappointing a team like Kaizer Chiefs. He celebrate a draw, and indeed a game it's painful because of your rival. Then you want to celebrate draw against Orlando Pirates.
Exactly, yeah.
Why not more especially 3 point maybe this is a game of football. What if we lose against Sundowns? Believe me, it's not going to be easy against Amazulu as well. So Skukune, like games are not so difficult. Yeah, so that's why for laughing at that Royal Pirates, now I can see that was nearly a danger. So now again, the final year they are going to celebrate. Okay, allow me to say this. First time ever, I'm going to see a drama in football.
So,
come Wednesday.
Sure.
For the first time in the history of football, I drama more football.
Sure.
Like I said, Chief supporters, they will be supporting Mamelodi Sundowns. For the first time ever, already bad.
Yeah.
Na team you kora o phaphathema to celebrate or ba le korile.
Just
Or rivalry how is ka tsa league mara wa le ba lore o ya down. So Pirates currently they've done very well this season, and by this time of the season, Sundowns it's already local failure if it is. But the Pirates they come to the party and make sure that they raise their hand and make sure that we feel this competition. So that's why it's so fair. So why Chiefs is a focus in Motabenzar EA Confederation. It will that battle between Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. So allow me to say this. I was so disappointed. I'm still disappointed because of firstly we have loved draw. Today draw again. Secondly, our own supporter they are going to love Peterson consider goal. Of which it is disappointing to look a big club like Kaizer Chiefs like this. This badge respected continentally. Then you want to laugh at your own team because of you want our rivalry not to win the league. But you pray for when Mamelodi Sundowns. It will be very disappointing if we lose that game. And the little coach at Arena, they were so happy, even the players celebrating a draw against Orlando Pirates. Allow me to say this, Mr. Nwabone. It's a shame and shocking to look at Coach Chiefs, a professional coach, coaching a beautiful club like this, celebrating a draw against your rival. I can say they are not fit for this badge. Even those players who are celebrating, they don't deserve to wear. Why? Intercity is a team, and 3 point LA Pirates, it was very important. Believe me.
London.
Yeah.
Yeah. When the coach who feel disappointed celebrate the draw, he knows what the and I expect more again. We level player Pirate. Pionel threat. Now I say threat mon. Kera ko tse dingwe tse ke threat. So bona ba celebrate they knew it or ba na le chance ya hore in the to correct 6 point. Ya no ba bona ba tsere 4 point. So no. But 4 points.
As a professional coach, you go for conference. That's conference. Pirates still. It's here, Sundowns is here, Pirates got 2 points. There's nothing to hate Pirates about that game. They still have four game left. They can win that game and so things like that. We this team respect. That's why we can celebrate. Sundowns a young major. Celebrate or Sundowns Wednesday. It's wrong, Mr. Ngobo. Yes, before I said we are going to make sure that we give 6 goals to Sundowns. Get Sundowns in the league. Mara, I came back to my sense. If I'm doing this, what about this beautiful football club ke supportang ke ratang ke reng ka yona if I'm throwing it on the public like this we need to support our team on Wednesday and stop ba bang setse ba rekile di flower
Thank
tsa Sundowns ma Chiefs
ba support
tla ba periskipa sa Chiefs a tshwere flyer Sundowns
imagine
it's disappointing
and ngobo ereko
Yeah.
that's why it's going to be the first time in the history
yeah ke bona motlholo
le nna ke bone maabane ko polokwane one of le khosi a tshwere flag
Ya Sundowns.
ya Sundowns
Yeah.
a perikali ya le
yeah
and then you know what they know hore bo makhelwana ba lena pepeza itlabeleng
yeah
so that's why ke le wa support sa buruwa ka for
no I
Yeah,
can't give you a hand for I'm not I'm promoting this thing yeah you're
I'll tell what
yeah
I'll tell what
hey I'm doing it all
ya muluma no simperebe
Yeah, I
ya
can
muluma
do it all.
yo chirima no blendera muluma no simperebe ano ya le no bo mukozi ya kergo
ke ba ke Josh Rema
yo chirima na re muluma no simperebe
Yeah.
uru wa no to lu wa
Yeah.
wa uka ana ari to rubile ke webo
ere go botsa something
Yeah.
so to interject
yeah
I think maybe Londani I stayed to be corrected o tlo tshwara ka lotsogo ha o ka betha Sewelele maybe
Okay.
mara iseng hore o bethe Chiefs
yeah I stand with Mamelodi Sundowns but not against Kaizer Chiefs
Not against Chiefs.
What I
Exactly.
want them to win already give a feel the key ba ska swabisa
Yeah.
so okay this is the key open that lock there link a couple
Yeah.
but they must respect that or ba feel the key are drawing Sundowns need that 11 points and that 11 point is 3 win plus oh you see it's not 3 win but it's a 4 game or tsa family ba di win tso tso
yeah is answer for 73
Tsa ba di
point
win tso tso.
is answer for 73 point
Because
73 points
73 point
yeah.
cause ka Sewelele re tla be re la 70
yeah, so goal difference if okay, allow me to say this league ye ayo fetsa ke di goal difference.
yo
League
yo for 73 point
na le 50 59
Ba na le 59.
Boma.
Pirates ina le
Pirates na le
61.
re na le 61 Pirates na le
Yeah.
na le 59
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, so ba le 72.
okay 72
ka Sewelele
ka Sewelele ke 69
no
ke 60
ka Sewelele ke
70.
70 ka Sewelele ke
Yeah.
70 and then
if
ka TS
if
Galaxy
le betile Chiefs
no mara ke tlhalositse ka re ke 369
okay
emfa di
Do you aware hore if Waka lose against Kaizer Chiefs and Pirates are winning the game tsa bona ka ofela chai. Pirates win.
yeah mara ko ke ile ka bolela last ka re
Yeah.
motho a leng ko varsity le motho a leng ko high school a ba tshwana ba specialize buruwa ka go nna mo 8 yearseng mo Betway Premier it was not by mistake if you can check it was not by mistake in the consistency each and every year that's why ya sala heta le bo Atazwane ka game ya Pirate a bolela gore it's high time
What happened at Richards Bay, I think, can still happen again.
okay.
So sometimes, if
Just-
they
just-
really from their varsity, they could have won against Richards
against
Bay.
primary against high school
Angele le varsity.
Yeah,
So
varsity.
against Richards Bay, nkebe le win.
Yeah.
No nkebe re bole lore ya anything is possible.
mara professor le a ira research ya wa lebella ro ira ko kae
Yeah.
ona le go hongwe e ka no mo change mind wa hae
Yeah.
mind wa hae gore the pitch ya e ba re fang tsona Richards Bay ke lor banza dumellana e santse ba re ra itse gore ke ya bona ke home ground ya bona e no tshwane home ground ya ko Sheo ke no ile example ne home ground ya ko Sheo ntse sa tshwana gore ka dlala kwa le lore game ya Nedbank ke ya Saterdag ya final mara still is the same no tshwana nna ke tla bulu sa dlala rugby ka tseno ka di 16 a ile ba green ya ko Loftus moshubana ba clear green yele nna ka di 17 ke dlala Champions League
but remember ne
Yeah.
so ro kwala da
yeah
Polokwane City home ground ya bona e go kae e go old Peter Mokaba Stadium,
Exactly,
right?
yeah.
And then the game tsa bona tsohle ba di dlala da
Yeah.
so ba ka se dlale ko new Peter Mokaba Stadium e le gore ground ya bona e available that was one two abaya go old because of God nona le radio or something so they had to go kae go Shishio for ing ke di mind games tsa bona so ke ko bo bona they are allowed to do whatever they batla wena gona ya bo
le rally eo already league date ntse tse tswile rally date ya teng ke tsa hona bya no
remember nowadays
yeah
oh sorry remember nowadays
Yeah.
soccer e re chelete thata go tshwana le di rally
Okay.
le di festival
so
ask yourself why so it derby ile Sunday
by postpone it to Sunday because of Jona le concert
on
sure
first time,
yeah
so that's what they do they're making money out of there
Okay.
but when it comes to Polokwane City
Sure.
those guys ba hlalefile Hopla when Salaba Isago was debating even a single ball on target. Come on, go minute, but better one not.
Nako bangise we.
Boys to go all Peter Mugaba Stadium.
Sure. Yeah, I remember sure.
No shot on target. But it's achieves it there. No goal.
Sure.
Pirates, it could like 94th minute.
Yeah.
You understand?
I remember sure.
Most of the games that won, about the winner there. So, but even the coach Arati, Putti, he was late. So that's why we say, Luena, how nyaga, Okada or Isa go Giant Stadium.
It's possible.
Yeah, but all in all, I'm looking forward to this game Wednesday. Because of this is the biggest game. Even if Unalaba Battle Reno, Renata supporter Sundowns. Bao Juta Bao. I don't look close like name.
Sure.
You won't support Sundowns.
Never.
They are going to support Kaiser Chiefs.
Yeah.
But how Dalam is willing to support? Despite the Robert Gilles willing to Wednesday. But all support. Just who the Pirates is a winner. You understand?
Sure.
Yeah. But all in all, I want to confident that how it's in terms of the experience on only 8 years and all that. But the Sundowns here this season, do you see for you left that confidence of winning a game here Wednesday? You clearly experience.
Sundowns here this season. As a new coach, obviously, we like the source. Mara ntwenka ubotsa nkore. I think management ba ntse fatshe ba re you know what re frustrate PSL ka tabatsa o re wina ke league ka 10 point. Let's bring a new person. Well hore o tla ira hore e be interesting. Gore gone ba nong that's why go bana le more debate. That's why go bana le more journalists ba ba ntse feletse ke mebereko ba khona ba bitsa gore league go botsa neto ape no everyone no the journalists di kreile mebereko because of how lady hore league beno ya lediwa o mo ke helicopter you remember ke itse go fed base why lo wena why confirm wona ke helicopter e ga change as be helicopter o mo ngarne parata ba pushe ka digo then ba pusha ka digo hora so nna for na Sundowns ya hona bia no na get a sharp than ile debate iro robe monate because of every time I know how it's obvious so when answer nya gore e be obvious because of rena le pressure asona rena pressure di drotter thango di re file pressure mara because of right or specialized arna pressure ka nna right or specialized nka se re hape o ka se botse physiotherapy le surgery physiotherapist war ola o tsore ne le rapole okay o nyaka gore ka mi wa specialize automatically lo botsa rano le rapole o di da surgery so one try normal physio akana re wetse ke re go transfer le go hospital wa bona go private hospital go se ena o go surgery so rena hona no se tra understand na gore pressure le moyona ke yona ira football e be monate so monate o le moyona that's why London wa comment everyone wa comment wa bambara hawa haye Pretoria soccer league so mara they know hore di community no metsi ko kae moshato o moholo wa Tshwane Pretoria di community no metsi mo a go lo tla o re o nya go opela go sisingelele o tlo no opela mo Tshwane a o no go o na le go ile opela ngo teng tjatsi leo ro opela ngo sisingelele imo Church Street
National team
you can see the way we are doing
so bare di community no metsi go Tshwane London ke nana maybe re tswalele before ya go Champions League ka bo wena London o nya gore league ye go ka
ya muluma nosi perebe ya muluma nosi
No, why it's a I can't say it's a good question, but it's tricky.
so bro
Yes, ra di bounting rival wa bona no bantara joka ka sitsi mara when we face the reality you need to check what Sundowns you dominator for how many season number 9 in you then you start to ask yourself for you tell Chiefs how many years to break that record because competition is too high re nya go re be re na ba re leader not Sundowns.
Sure.
So 8 years already are worries already he created something to run on it or break that history ya Sundowns. So
ke Guinness World Record
ke mo le re neng ka re
ya mo PSL
Pirates it's wa bona the Pirates it's you start to ask yourself, why Pirates tshwantse be yone e tsang league before?
They were confused.
What am I?
Or nna ke itse re go bona.
Exactly, yeah.
Now re ke itse re go bona. So santse we back.
Go back, exactly.
You look at performance here, Orlando Pirates. They deserve to win this Betway Premiership. But myself, none enkarata hore team e nngwe e win the league ka ntle le Sundowns ka ntle le Pirates.
And then no khonahale.
And then so yes a khone so le nenkarata ka re maybe ba ka ra hona team e win. Ipadi.
Ayalo.
Still I khona.
Changane mara skota ka.
So ele som takata. O file di khia man.
Nna ke a o leboha.
Yeah,
Mara le wa nna shake ya ka ena
No,
motho.
ke nako ya handshake. Ke nako ya tega, she's just key.
No, skia ke sthwere. O file skia weekend the
Yeah, ke sebo.
Kia ashia.
Ke sebo.
Ya njwe.
Ke sebo.
Already se ko di office sa lena.
Yeah.
Yeah, wa bona so mara nka se itse beke. Congratulations for winning. But
No, Mara, why
you're not going to win against us.
Yeah, Mara.
Yeah.
Well, we got it. So in other words,
Yeah.
you are going to win the league,
Yeah.
but you won't win against
Kaizer
Kaizer
Chiefs.
Chiefs on Wednesday.
You,
So you must choose when. Or do you
Okay.
want to win the league, or you want to beat Chiefs fair and then you don't win the league? So I think you must be fair.
Yeah,
For myself, it's a draw that game.
you know very well hore the giant so called the giant tsa mo South Africa ba go Gauteng ba na le this thing ya hore okay ka he e le hore ke di giant ene ba le bala hore mo di ma 12 point nna ke khona ba tsela 8 point combine ka ba fa 1 point hore ke 8 point versus 2 point so already ba arena bale it's a 4 point ba na le 1 point ba ke na le 1 point so he ke itse ya hore ke combine ke 8 point ai buelle morao ke tla ke tshwere 8 point ya lena combine
So or 8 points or better Wednesday.
ke ba better Wednesday ke
okay,
ai
so
kopa
8 points, yeah.
ke ba 8 point bona ba remain ka 1-1 mara ile re ba nya go e tlhakantsha ba ka ira 2 hore ba bona ga ba ira 2 ba combine because already kwa arena ke na le 4 point
Yeah.
and ba tshwere 1 point ba ke na le 1 point so he ke feletsa mokete wa ka
Yeah.
ko re mo ke bina engwe a re sa re ke twega ne ke re tshwara
Yeah.
mfolohe wena
So thank you, Faith. Thank you a lot of it for coming.
Yeah.
I think let's do this more.
Yeah.
Let's make sure we support our game.
Sure.
We push our games. Hopefully, in fact, Wednesday.
Yeah.
Thanks so much, Faith, to everyone who've been watching. That's not great, Faith, before Lemfa prediction score on Wednesday. But what's your prediction? Score prediction?
Score prediction ya ka re tlhantse re ke be pila re tlhantse re leka ka di goal for the past 4 games to 5 games le ka mo Champions League re kora di 1-1 wa ibo mara because ban twice ke na lo ba fa 3 go ya godimo so it can be 3-1 my prediction it can be 3-1 but nze ke sanya go re be 3-1 nze ke batla clean sheet because o gopole le nna ke batla Ballon d'Or Rowan ke mitsa Ballon d'Or. Yeah, it's only a goalkeeper mo South Africa. I don't know Cristiano Ronaldo go Paris kwa pari papa ka Ballon d'Or. Wa ntlhalwa ke ntse ke nya go re le ena a khono ba goalkeeper of the season. Wa utlwisisa.
He's not the only one. Masuluku le na sala ya go, but it's okay. How score predictions?
Personal game. Personal game.
Yeah.
So I think into a rating ka Davi ko ira lape ka Sundowns.
Let's draw.
1-1.
1-1.
Okay.
I are kwaleng Mafetu. Ara se ra isenya. Thank you so much, Mafetu. Thank you. Thank you so much for everyone who have been supporting us. If you've been subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Thank you very much. Please comment, like, and share this video. All our Mafetu. Eitada.